difficult figuring out which drive is right for you, with all of the options available. The technology can be confusing, and there can be many gotchas as you weigh your options that are not always obvious until after you've made your purchase. But how can you know if you're buying the right drive for your needs? I'm Michelle for Rocket Yard, and today I'm going to make it easy to decide which OWC drive is right for you. Typically, when figuring out which drive is best for your needs, it usually comes down to the following factors. How much data can you store on the drive? I'll refer to this as capacity. How fast is the drive? I'll refer to this as speed. How big or portable is the drive? I'll refer to this as form factor. And how much does the drive cost? Yeah, you guessed it, I'll refer to this as cost. There are 4 primary types of external drives that OWC makes, and they all emphasize different aspects of these factors. I'm going to break them down individually, and once you understand the categories and who they're for, it should be easy to figure out which one is right for you. To begin, we'll start with the Mercury Elite series. If you just need a decently sized hard drive that doesn't need to be particularly fast, or that you want to use as a backup drive, the Mercury lineup is perfect. Dollar for dollar, you won't find a better value per terabyte than the Mercury Elite lineup. For the average person who needs a standard external hard drive for basic video, audio, photos, or backup needs, the Mercury lineup was designed for you. If you need something extremely fast and affordable in a tiny form factor, you have to check out the Envoy Pro lineup. Perfect for creatives, presenters, musicians, DJs, teachers, anyone who is on the go and needs a drive with blazing fast speeds that won't break their budget. Many portable drives often take forever to copy files or are flimsy, but the Envoy Pro lineup is all based on NVMe technology and built to be durable to guarantee you'll be ready for any high-pressure situation. If you're a professional video editor, someone who needs a ton of disk space, or someone who needs maximum speed, you're going to want to look at the Thunder Bay series. They're basically the Mac trucks of the storage world. Designed as 4 and 8 bay solutions with SSD or HDD options, the Thunder Bay gives you the best all-around balance of capacity, speed, and cost. It is also the only drive in the lineup that is designed for large projects, as the Thunder Bay 8 can hold up to an incredible 144 terabytes in a single enclosure. Finally, if speed is all that matters, the Thunder Blade is your best bet for VFX artists, colorists, DITs, or anyone who needs high capacity with no compromises to speed. The Thunder Blade is the ultimate solution. With capacities up to 16 terabytes and speeds up to 2800 megabytes per second, there is almost nothing you can throw at a Thunder Blade that it can't handle. In the future, we'll go more in depth on the different product lines and what they can do, but hopefully now you have a basic understanding of how to approach your storage needs with OWC. I'm Michelle for Rocket Yard. Thank you for watching. If you thought this video was helpful, like and subscribe below, and if you're looking for more in-depth coverage of all things tech, check out our Rocket Yard blog at rocketyard.com.